Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Mini Militia. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add friends in Mini Militia, then first launch open Mini Militia game on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After you are inside, tap on the friend button on the right hand corner and tap on add friends at the top right. Now, you can enter the user ID or the nickname of that person and search. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the search result based on the name that you've given or the ID that you've given. And now you can find the person you would like to add and tap the add friend button right next to their profile. And soon after you tap on the add friend button, you'll be able to add friends on Mini Militia. If you don't find your friends in the list, you can always invite your friend by using the WhatsApp or the Facebook app icon at the bottom and follow the prompts, send it to the contact you'd like to invite to the game, and then you'll be able to send them the invitation. That is how you can easily add friends in Mini Militia with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.